Hey, it's Kevin here back again with another YouTube video, and it's very early in the morning. I just woke up, and why am I in the bathroom? Well, yeah, because I'm about to take a shit and get ready to go to Steven's house so we can go to the beach.
You want to roll down your window?
Alright. No, we're out here now. I'm with Steven. We're just gonna wait for the others and then, yeah, go to the beach. Okay, so we met up with the others and now we're just gonna, yeah, go to the beach. Okay, way to go, Diego. You finna bust out a steezy kick. First try. Okay, I see you. Now you're gonna bust a heel. Whoa, that first try too. What? Okay, so we dropped by the ice cream shop. Rolling, this is delicious. Yeah, we're out here enjoying.
Here we go! Nice and loud. Come on, people! Ouch! This is for real! Yeah, my age. That's why I'm working on the streets. Give me a real gig.
Oh my gosh. That's gnarly as fuck.
If someone challenges me, I accept the challenge and I up it up. I bump it up a little bit, yeah?
Oh, you can see the sand. Do you see it?
Can you really?
The line? You see it?
Okay, so we're heading to the car now. We're about to get something to eat. And nobody can decide because there's so many fucking people that want different things. And not everybody has like enough money. We want to eat like something good. So we're just gonna head to the car and just decide what we're gonna eat. And yeah, catch up with you guys soon. So yeah, we're out here grubbing now at that Habit.
Fuck Habit, In-N-Out's better.
Hey, next to me.
With Diego and the others, we're just waiting for the food. And yeah. Lakes, guys. You know, we out here. Day in the life is over. You know, we grub.
There's Kevin.
Let's hit the camera.
Get out of here. Bye.
Jesse's cute ass.
Alright, dude.
Drop off Kevin first.
Okay, so that concludes my day in the life. Basically at the beach with my friends. Yeah, I got home, I took a nap, I woke up, and then I was just chilling, and then I showered. Yeah. Dirt. Oh, I thought I could zoom in, but I can't. Fuck. Oh yeah, but I'm gonna conclude the video here, so yeah. Good night, guys.